Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to install Motion 4 plugin. That is the best plugin I have ever seen, which will make your editing fast, easy and tricky. So please subscribe this channel, like the video, comment me for your feedback and share it with your friends because this will help a lot of people. If you share this, so you may I will be really happy because my viewers, you are my brothers, and I don't want to like give you the paid courses like other influencer gives. So I'm not like that. I will give you the free because it is if you wanna buy, so that's something else. If you wanna get for free, that is something else. So please watch full video, then you will know about it. Because you people are not watching full video, then you are saying in comments that it is not working, it is not working. If you do not watch the full video, so how it will work? So please watch the full video, and then you will get your extensions, everything. If you want to ask me questions, ask me in comments because I'm available. I will answer you 24/7. So please subscribe it, share it with your friends, and let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, I want to open my After Effects because I'm using the 2023 version. So please just check it. If you want to install in 24, it will work. In If you want to install in 25, it will work. If you want to install in 20, like in 2020, it will work till 25. Okay. Now, let me tell you one thing. Here in Windows, I come here, only GeoLayers is there. Okay, that plugin is not present. Let's install it. So I'm gonna tell you, if you wanna take a link from me, so and that will be very cool. So just like comment me or say to me, so I will tell you the way. Just write here MXM After Effects plugin free download. Okay, now just spell it well, so then you will install it. Like there will be no error, or the exact website will come okay to you. Just click it. If you click, you will see the videos. Don't go to videos. After I'm saying to you that don't go to the videos, don't go to this and this. Okay, you just see file CR empty MoGraph motion for After Effects. Just click here because it will change your life, and it is 102 MBs. 102 MB is nothing to install because it is really good. Let's see. 102 MBs. Okay, guys. Now you think where to install. So it is the plugin, the best plugin I have ever seen. So just click to direct download. So when you click here, so just click here. So let me download it for you because you will say in comment how to download it. How do I? Here you can see download it. Okay, 102 2 MBs file. It will download, no problem. So let's download. Okay, no problem. It's gonna take some time, and that's why 102 MB is there. So it will gonna take some time. So please wait it. So I will just fast my this video here. So here you can see guys, it is downloaded. Just open the folder. I have opened it. Now I have two. Okay. So let's delete this one so this one will work. So first of all, just right click here. Now just click extract here. The password is 123. Okay, just enter it, so it will download. Okay, it will download. Now many people has problem like when they install it's not going to work. Now can you see com.mt mograph motion next? Okay, just copy this link. Now if you copy here, okay, just come to C, program files at x86, then click here common files, then click here Adobe, then click here CEP, then click here extensions. Okay, here you can see there is no more graph. Okay, so just paste it here. Now this step is really important to do it, because if you don't do this, so your graph or motion for will not install it. Okay, this key, can you see here? Can you see here this one? Add keys. Just double click it. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Now you have done these two steps. Now let's come to the third one. Open the After Effects. Okay. Just close it. My one was already opened. So just refresh it and then open it. Okay. If you do like this, so it will not come, because when your After Effect is often, when you install this, so it will not work. Just close it once, then again. Okay, now come to new composition. Here you can see it is my black composition. Okay, just click here. Let's make a small shape. Okay, now I have made this small shape. Now I am giving to it motion like P position, then keyframe, then here come to 2 seconds, then keyframe and bring it here. Okay, so then keyframe again, I'm going to 3 seconds, then keyframe. Okay, then I'm going to bring it here. Now can you see now just what's happening? Okay, as you can see it is here. Then we would press F9, then we would come to this here, we would do like this, and we would do like this. Let me tell you, we would do like this, so it was like this. Can you see? So it was really big process to do these steps. That's really like wasting your time, wastage of your time. So now this can be really easy for you. Just open Windows, then come here extensions, then motion 4. Now if you have open, don't worry, it will open. Okay, if here in downside here, it will come like uninstall and purchase it. Don't worry, just press enter and click mouse click. Okay, so it will work. Now let's keyframe these all. Just click here. Now see, if you select these all keyframes, so it will be like this. So if you select this one, so it will do like this. Okay, it will ease in. So just leave it. Now we wanna ease in all like this. Okay, now it's not going to work. Now I'm going to do first one like this. Come here. Wait, come here, then come here. Okay, can you see? This is going to work. The second one should be like this. Okay, I think this one is gonna work really good, because the third one be like this. Okay, so now let's see. Have you seen? This is the correct. Now this one is really good, because now if I want to do one thing more, okay, just let's uh, bring it here. So just press it here little bit. Okay, now just leave this one. Let's make other shape. Okay, now if you click, if you see the anchor point, if you wanna like, can you see the anchor point here in between? Now if you wanna do to this side or here, so just press this. or this. Okay, so the anchor point will directly come to that place. Okay, let me tell you. First of all, click here. Okay, now can you see this point? Now if you do like this, so it will directly come like this. Okay, on this point. So this is really easy to make it. Now if you want a null object, you want to add null object, so it will add it. Okay, the fourth thing is really good, which is color. You can change the colors as well. The fifth thing is really good. You can see the anchor point or anchor animation, blend, everything is here. Now you wanna, sorry. Just select. I'm sorry, why it's not working. Let me tell you. Okay, now come to automation, like this, dynamics, everything you can see. New features are also there. Effects are also there. So why, I don't know, it is not working here. Just if you click here, so you want to add keyframe, so it will work it. Okay, here it will come the effects menu, or you want to see everything here. So this is really heavy effects, that's why my one is hanging. So please don't mind it. Okay, so it's going to work it in your one. So just come to system, spin tools, everything is here. Simulation, like this, and null objects, sort, trash, rename, everything is here. Then come to this one, group. You wanna group it, you wanna add something, or you wanna search for something else, so it will come. Because I have told you, here it will be written purchase, here it will be written uninstall. If you, in your ones come, just press enter and click. Don't say then make a tutorial and it is not free. It is free, it is 100% free. Okay, please like this video, share it with your friends, comment me for your feedback. So I will be like, I will be emotional and I will answer you guys, because it's really like important to feedback. Your feedback is my everything, because I want to see it, and I will be get motivated to make this kind of tutorials for you. Thanks, bye, have a great day, bye bye.